Hey, in this video I will show you how to fix Instagram push notifications not working on any iPhone and on any Android device. I actually prepared a very simple tutorial for you, so make sure you watch the video all the way till the end. And before we start, just make sure you give the video a like. Each like helps out the channel a lot, helps us get a few more views, and subscribe if you're new. We just hit 13,300 subscribers, which is great. The goal is to hit 100k by the end of the year. And also, if you still have any questions while you're watching the video, just comment them down below and I'll try to get back to them ASAP. Or if you want us to cover another topic in another video, just comment it down below and we'll try to make a video on it within a week. So to actually fix Instagram push notifications not working, what you want to do, the first thing you want to make sure you've done is that you have the latest version of Instagram installed. So you want to go on the App Store, the Google Play Store, open it up, click on search and type in Instagram above. So this is pretty much the first thing you want to do. So when you type in Instagram, if there's an update option here, just go ahead and update the app. If there's none, you want to go on the Instagram app itself, and there's a few things you want to check that you've went over. Let's start with the first one. So you want to go on the Instagram app, click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner, then click on the three dashes at the top right corner, go ahead to settings, and from settings you want to click on, I think it's the third option, notifications. And here, if pause is on, obviously this is the reason why you're having issues. You want to have it off, and you want to make sure you go through every single option like post, stories, comments, that you have the notifications that you like. For example, if you want to get notifications when you get new likes, well, you have to have them on from either everyone or from people you follow. Same goes for photos of you, likes and comments and so on. And you want to make sure you also have notifications for direct messages and every other thing that you consider an important notifications around your personal account or your business account, your brand. So if you've done all of that and you still have this issue, what you want to do is just go over to the settings on your iPhone or on your Android device. Go down until you find the Instagram app. Normally it's in an A to Z order, so Instagram app should be under I, basically. And when you open it up, here it is for me. You want to make sure that you have mobile data or cellular data on it, right? You want to have this green. Background app refresh, you want to have it on. Notifications, obviously, you want to have those on, and you want to make sure you have the ones you want. If you want them on lock screen, you want to attach it of the adjust. And banner style, temporarily or permanent, sounds, badges, all that jazz. You want to set all of this up. And the last thing you can do actually to fix this issue, to fix Instagram push notifications not working, is go over to settings, go on general and click on iPhone storage. On an Android device, you want to just click on apps. Now you want to find the Instagram app. It should be somewhere at the top, but if you can't find it, you can search for it. But I've already found it, and you want to offload the app, which will pretty much clear the cache, reset most of the data, and which should fix most of the issues you might be facing. I really hope this video helped you out. We're actually uploading a whole lot of videos just like this. If it did, give us a like. If you're new, subscribe. And if you're one of the committed people that watched the video all the way until the end, comment down below which country are you from, because I'm really curious where you guys and girls are from. See you next video. Bye.